What can I say about this 94 Magna? I'll tell you what, guys, this should be a video on itself. If I added it to another one, I guess it wasn't as long as I expected. So, we're out here cruising. It's a beautiful morning, and I am super happy with this comfortable bike. So we do have the dreaded rejetting issue because the baffles were removed from the tailpipes. I don't know, maybe we can work through it. But I'll tell you what, after riding this for half an hour, my ears were ringing. So I don't really mind not keeping it loud the whole time. Seat height on this thing is pretty low. I'm gonna say probably about 28, and my short little legs on my 5'5" body definitely can touch the ground, no problems. It's easy. I wouldn't be concerned at all. The bars, I did say in a previous video that I do like the factory bars on these 3rd gen Magnas. These are good. They're not really that high. They're not that much higher. They might be I don't know, an inch or so higher. The grips are comfortable, yet they're kind of bulky in my hands. I don't know if you know, they're fine. They're just a little big, and I don't feel like I have the full response of the bike because they're so padded. But they're good. I know, I forgot my gloves. I'm sorry. What gear am I in? I'm in 5th gear. Alright. Again, 6 gears would be ideal for this motorcycle. I feel like I'm sitting right in the dead spot. There it is, right around 3,500 to 4,000 RPMs. She doesn't suffer from a lot of backfire. Which is good. Wonder if I'm running out of gas. We'll know if she shuts down on me. I do have reserve, so I'm not worried. Yeah, she sounds like she's just not quite there. If I have to switch to reserve at 70 miles, guys, that's not right. But it's a beautiful morning to ride. It's just cool enough that you're not sweating. It's just warm enough that you're cool. It almost feels like I am running low on gas. I know there's plenty in the tank, so I'm not concerned. very smooth ride. There's a lot of fun on this bike. I feel like something's off. When I'm cranking the throttle, it's not there. When I feel like there's something wrong with my bikes, I just go quiet, try and analyze everything in my head. Maybe I'm just hanging around that dead spot. Alright guys, well if I figure it out, I'll let you know. Hope you enjoyed that little ride. Yeah, that guy. He's got a trailer and everything. Nice. Can't imagine I'm not getting the fuel this long. Would have thought it would shut off on me already. I could switch over to reserve, see what I got. Oh, she shut off. I think it's gas. Great. Where's my fuel petcock? There we go. Well, if it's just gas, that's good. Come on. Get gas. It's not that I'm in trouble. Come on, girl. There we go. Are we running yet? I think so. Uh-oh. Battery's dead, guys. Oh no! Now I'm stranded. That's not what I wanted to do. Great. Alright guys, I'm convinced of two things. My battery's weak and my bike ran out of gas. So both two things, now I need to keep it running. Alright. Hopefully crisis averted. Apparently this thing starts running out of fuel around 70 to 75 miles. That's not great range. And then you switch to reserve. I really don't know what else we have. So I guess I'll be putting a new battery on this. And now I know how much range we have on the primary tank. I'm a little nervous to get home, but as long as I can do that, we're fine. What I ended up doing with the dead battery, I was on a hill, so luckily I could coast back down and pop the clutch and get her going again. Didn't show you that on camera because I didn't know if it was going to work. So I guess be more careful with my reserve, and I might not have had that issue. Now she's running good. Now I feel like I'm getting fuel to the cylinders and I have all my power back, so it was struggling for fuel. Yeah, good news is I'm riding again, and luckily I was on a hill. You call me lucky or call me crazy. Testing the limits. Doesn't always work out that way. I was thinking of who I needed to call to get this bike home and get myself where I needed to be. Also thinking of where I could stash the bike until I could come get it. I'm not that far from home. It would have taken quite a long time to walk there. So anyway, good to know. Range was in this thing on primary tank about 70 some miles, because I think I had a full tank when I started the counter. Non-ethanol fuel, of course. Sorry guys, bump. I should have videoed me getting the bike started again. Like I said, I wasn't sure if it was going to work, and I was a little panicked. Well, I don't know how far I can go in reserve. I'm sure I can get to my house, but luckily we're still moving, or we're back to moving. Guys, share in the comments if you ride a Magna, where yours shuts off on you, or where you got to go from primary to reserve, and let me know how many miles you can get on reserve, because I have no clue. Yeah, full power's back. I'm happy with that. Well, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. I know you're not going to share it, but hey, give me a like. That don't cost you anything. And give me a subscribe if you want to see more content, because there will be more. Obviously, I'm happy the bike's not having problems. We're back in action, and you'll see more of it. So I'll see you in the next one. Get out and ride. Be careful. Watch your gas level. Don't get stranded. Peace out, guys. Well, guys, if you stuck around this long, I got stuck in construction, and I was afraid I wasn't going to get through, and at some point I was going to stall the bike, which I can't do. So I had to turn around and take some back roads to hopefully make it home. Right now we're sitting at 82, and I do not have a chase vehicle to run with me to save the day. This is not me trying to get every ounce out of this tank, because I don't know how many ounces are in there. Now we're at 83, and I'm stuck behind a truck, so I guess I won't burn as much fuel if I'm not racing home. But yeah, I throw a monkey wrench into my plans. Let's just get home. Other than that, the bike's smooth and comfortable. Peace. For your info and viewing pleasure, I'm home. 86, almost 87 miles. And this turn signal doesn't turn off when you push it. So you just have to jiggle it back and forth until it goes off. Still running. And we're off. Thanks for watching. Thanks for holding your breath. I'll see you in the next one.